You tangled again?
It's on the ground.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna watch it.
Now watch what you're doing. You're tangling it up again. Hang on just a minute. Okay, show me how you do it. Yep. Oh, that wasn't a good one. Show me. I forgot to let go of the button. Do it again. I know you could do it. I saw you do it before. Don't swing it. You do it this time? Okay. Whoa, good cast, Kels. You're amazing. Hey, do you like fishing? Okay, now you gotta sit down and be patient. If you reel it in all the time, you'll never catch a fish. Just wait for that bobber to go underwater. When it goes underwater, boom, pull your pull up. The long lost fisherman, Taylor?
Ahoy!
Oh, you little actor. There's Tate down there. And Kenny.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see a great cast. Wait! Well, you gotta quit flipping your pole around or it's gonna tangle it all up. Ready yet? Cast that baby. Taylor?
What?
I didn't see anything go.
I know.
Okay. You had one, Tate. Taylor.
This isn't casting.
That's because you're not letting go on the hook at the right, the button at the right time. Catch anything, Tate?
Time for some new bait.
Oh, here comes the master fisherman. Catch anything?
No.
How come? I know it. I feel it. Go for it.
Wow, that sucker flew.
Yeah, let Dad try to cast it. Maybe it's the pole, son.
Wait.
Oh, his reel's not working.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Having any luck, boys?
Hey, you're mean. You didn't.
They don't like worms?
One got right next to it and turned off. He was right here. Like here. He was right like this.
He says, yuck, I don't want any worms. Gross, they're all bleeding and everything. Where are they? There they are. Pine Valley, Utah.
Man, how to get this open?
What?
I mean, not open.
What?
Trying to get this.
Untangled?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna cast that baby again?
Yep, I'm gonna catch it.
Well, you better back up.
I know, but it's tied.
Oh, you need help?
I need to get it undone. it. Can't do it.
You know? Well,
Yeah.
back up so you don't get me, would you?
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Whoops.
What? What happened? What, you didn't like that one? Oh, it's right here, Kel. Try that again.
Okay.
Oh, well, that was a little bit farther. How old are you?
I'm 6.
You're 6.
Yeah. I need a fly.
Hey, you hit me in the head. Oh, you Kel, don't drop it. Now get it ready. Get it in the perfect spot. Where is it?
Right here.
You ready?
No. It's in a knot now.
You sure?
Never mind. How do you get that dumb thing untangled?
There. Oh, because it keeps twisting. Twist the bobber around. No, not that way, the other way. Yeah. Getting it? Okay. All right. All right. Come here. It's still twisted one more time up there. Come here.
Yeah. No.
Did you tangle it again? God. Well, quit moving your paw, would you? Kels, it's right there. I see it on the ground. I don't think that was a good cast. Come on. Do it this time?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Here I
we're ready.
go.
That's more like it. Now where did you figure out how to do it? I think you had your pole upside down.
Uh-huh. I think I did too.
Huh.
And put
Think
it,
you'd know better for a 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I just didn't do that. Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello. Goodbye.
On that thing. You and your brother. Me. And my brother. Fishing in the reservoir. Caught anything, Ken?
What?
Caught anything? Hey, where's your fishing pole, Kelsey?
You're watching it.
I'm watching it?
Yeah.
All right. What happens if I catch one? What happens if I catch one?
Man.
Yep, go Ken. Where'd it go? What a fisherman. Come on, fish, bite. Get a pole that works, huh?
Yep.
Okay, you got the idea down?
Yep.
Okay, go. Whoa. See what happens when you have a good pull? Makes a difference, huh?
Wind it up, Taylor.
All right, Taylor, good job.